In this video, I want to share my perspective about what I consider two of the best platforms to sell digital products in 2023 and to host your online video courses. In addition, I want you to be aware of what I'm focused on when I choose a platform to host my online digital courses. My name is Max Cecco, and I teach you the skills and mindset to turn your knowledge or someone else's expertise into a seven-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. First of all, while I'm recording this video, many online platforms are available to sell and host your digital information products. Different platforms with different options, pros and cons. In this video, I want to introduce two completely different solutions. The first one is a little bit complex but highly flexible, and you have to pay a minimal annual fee. The second one, I really think it is the best and the easiest all-in-one platform to sell and deliver your digital stuff. Platform number one: WordPress plus OptimizePress plus a member. To be honest, this is not a platform, but a combination of two softwares that allows you to create unlimited private areas to host your digital products. In addition, there is only one small annual fee to use a fundamental tool and just a one-time payment to buy the membership software to manage all the subscriptions. Keep watching this video because I'll show you how it works. You have to know that I have been selling digital online courses with this method since 2009, and I know perfectly how it works and how flexible it is. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you some private areas I have created for myself and my clients as well. Let's see the softwares involved. Software number one: WordPress. WordPress is the best blogging platform and it is 100% free. It was born as a blogging platform, but I can assure you that 99% of the websites today are built with this software. Obviously, this video is not a training on how to use WordPress, but you have to know that it is straightforward, 100% flexible, especially if you combine it with smart themes. What is a WordPress theme? I consider a theme as the dress you put on your website in order to create the external appearance you want. For example, let me show you different WordPress websites my team and I did with different themes and customizations and 100% mobile responsive. maxcecco.com, francescameglino.com, cristiancolusso.com, connettis.it. Great websites, aren't they? For the purpose of this video, to create unlimited funnels, I have always used this phenomenal WordPress theme: OptimizePress. With this theme installed, you can create any type of landing pages, marketing funnels, collect payments, and all the things you need to sell your digital or even physical stuff. You can customize everything you want. To have all features I've just mentioned, you have to choose the suite plan at $199 a year. So, let me share with you a private area where I host a 40-hour online course. I sold it in Italy for 3 years to help professionals create and sell their knowledge and experience. All this private area has been created with WordPress plus OptimizePress Theme 2.0, the previous version. Here we are. We are in the login page of my website, massimoceccotraining.com, and in this specific page I have to put an email address and a password, so these are my credentials in order to access to the trainings area. So let's do it. Email, password. I click on the button Accedi ai training. The page you are looking right now is the page that contains different accesses based on the training you have bought. For example, in this specific case, in this container, I can get access to 3 different trainings: Merito di più, Smart Budget, and Partnership Profittevoli. In this specific case, I want to get access to the first one, Merito di più. I click on this image. Perfect. We are now in the home page, and as you can see, there are three main modules of this online course. In this specific case, we have the creation of the character, business mindset, and all the technical stuff. Let's click on this technical stuff section. Perfect. We have access to different modules of technical stuff. For example, how to create these funnels, how to create promotional videos, Keynote complete training, SiteGround training, ClickFunnels complete training, and so on. For example, let's click on WordPress complete training. In this case, I have all the modules of the WordPress training. I click on WordPress install. And finally, in this page, I can consume the content, the video content, and then I have the opportunity to move to the other modules of this specific training. I can switch to the other trainings inside the main course Merito di Più, and I can have the opportunity to ask questions based on this specific module that I'm seeing, that I'm watching right now. And that's it. Very easy, simple, straightforward. Software number 2, Amember. Amember is an astonishing software that I've been using since 2009. As perfectly described on their website, Amember Pro is a software installed on your server that allows you to protect content in your website or in a WordPress blog and make content available for subscribers only. Recurring and non-recurring billing is supported. Developed and improved since 2002, Amember Pro has every feature you could expect from a subscription script. Billing, invoicing, reporting, 200 plus integrations, help desk, affiliate program, as easy as clicking the power on switch. The combination of WordPress plus OptimizePress plus Amember is excellent because it is 100% flexible. You can release an entire course or just some content of the same course. You can create memberships with monthly payments in which your client can access the content monthly based on their payments. If they don't pay, they lose access or it is restricted. Keep in mind that with this first solution, you can sell whatever you want 24/7 and 365 days per year in a 100% automated way. Once the client makes the payment, this system sends all the data needed to let the client access the private area without your support. It's amazing. Now, let's switch to the second option I'm still evaluating today for different reasons I will explain in this video. Platform number 2, ClickFunnels 2.0. ClickFunnels software was born to let people create funnels easily and quickly. I mean, every type of landing page to show and sell anything online. Squeeze page, sales page, order page, and so on. Then they decided to offer the chance to create private areas, host online digital products, and let people access the online stuff once they have completed the payment. Honestly, the first version of the private area was horrible and with no flexibility. This last update with the version 2.0 changed everything. To be precise, I still have to test all the processes, how to build the pages and create your private areas with the new version 2.0, but based on what I have seen, it is very flexible. You can easily manage recurring payments and unblock certain content based on what the client has bought, as I always did thanks to Amember software. Many videos are available to make you aware of how to create online private areas with ClickFunnels 2.0. With this last update, I think ClickFunnels has become the all-in-one platform to sell and host any digital course because of its simplicity. The best part is this: with one click, you can share your funnels and private areas with your clients in order to speed up the process creation. This is a terrific feature that lets you save time and money, especially if you want to train other people how to create and sell digital online courses, or if you want to help your clients clients, speed up the private areas process creation. In addition, don't underestimate an incredible feature that ClickFunnels includes in the platform: the analytics section. Knowing your numbers is crucial for your business to succeed. Their analytics section is amazing, and keep in mind that other software companies ask you even $200 per month to have the same features. Getting precise data on what's working and what's not in your funnels is priceless, especially with instant reporting. Track open rates, click-through rates, page conversion rate, average cart value, and more. See how your students are progressing through your digital courses. Don't underestimate this ClickFunnels section because it is worth it. I will keep you posted in the next weeks with a customized video regarding ClickFunnels 2.0, especially because I want to create my next online course by only using ClickFunnels to craft all the pages to sell the online course and host the content on their private area. The process must be 100% automated without my support. And with that said, regardless of what you want to sell, creating a high converting funnel is the starting point to introduce your offer properly to your target audience. This is why I recommend watching this video. 5 easy steps to create a digital marketing funnel to convert prospects into paid clients. So, watch it now.